Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure both devices can communicate securely. Update iPhone and Apple Watch, sign into the same Apple ID, and enable two-factor authentication. Once done, open the Watch app on your iPhone and go straight to Wallet and Apple Pay. This step links payment capability to the watch instead of the phone. Make sure cellular or Bluetooth connection is active. Now you're ready to add a card. Tap Add Card and follow the on-screen prompts to capture the card details quick. Next, you add the actual card. Scan its face or type numbers manually. The system explains why scanning speeds entry and reduces errors. Once entered, you must verify with your bank. Choose the convenient option like SMS or your bank's app. This step prevents fraud and links the token to your watch. After verification, pick a default card and optionally enable Express Transit for quick fares. Make sure the wallet shows the card as active before you finish. That confirms the secure token is stored on the watch. To pay, double-press the side button and present the watch face near the contactless reader. You'll feel a tap and see Done when it works. If it doesn't, make sure wrist detection and a watch passcode are enabled. Those are required for Apple Pay to authorize payments. Also confirm Bluetooth or cellular is active, and the card shows active in the watch app. If bank verification caused trouble, re-verify or remove and re-add the card. That usually refreshes the token and resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.